Hello students, I hope you all are fit and fine. Today I am going to start with some of concept related to check the chapter number 1, Introduction to HTML. In this chapter, before starting the creation of a web page using HTML, we have to study a small topic, that is working of the internet. We have already studied most of the things regarding internet in standard 9th, but then two we will revise little bit. The first word, web, comes here is a network. Now what is in network in simple word? If I say network is the interconnection of different computers. Now network doesn't means only the connection of computers, but two or more computers can be so connected as to make possible the exchange of information between them, and this type of computers are called computer networks. We are discussing the web or www. World Wide Web is basically a system of internet servers that supports specially formatted documents. The documents are formatted in a markup language is called HTML, hypertext markup language. All the media element it supports link to other document as well as graphic, audios and videos files. The idea of web was considered in 1991 by Tim Berners-Lee while consulting at CERN, full form of CERN, European Organization for Nuclear Research. Next is web browser. Browser is an application enabling viewing of information on web. We are familiar of web browsers such as Mozilla, Firefox, Google Chrome, Internet Explorer, Safari, Netscape, Navigator, etc. Now, what is the meaning of web page? Web page is a set of data and information which is designed to be viewed as a part of website. Web page is a hypertext document. Now website is a set of related web pages located under a single domain name, means it is a collection of web pages of the same site. Next things is a hyperlink. So what is a hyperlink? So, what is hyperlink? Now, if we want to go one page to another page, then one page they are clickable text, as especially this text are displayed in blue color, added in underline. Now, if we click, we will be able to open another web page. This is known as a hyperlink. Now we will discuss about HTML. It is language as we use language to communicate. Gujarati, English, Hindi, same way it is language. We are know the HTML is a language for a computer. Now in computer there are so many language such as a Java, C, C++, etc. Then officially, what is this HTML made up for? This language made up for preparing web pages, See, we cannot type anything directly from the web browser on any of the web page, so we need to write coding through HTML language. HTML is a consist of a series of elements. Now, which kind of HTML language? Then HTML kind of a markup language. A markup language is a set of different texts that enable search to add additional information on how to present the web content. The whole page made up the using different tags. Tags are written using angular bracket. Actually, HTML files are text files. The extension change from .txt to .html. See example. See example. First one, doc type HTML. HTML starting tag, HTML body starting tag or opening tag. Example explained. The doc type HTML declaration defines this document to be HTML. The opening HTML element is the root element of an HTML page. The opening head element contains meta information about the document. The opening title element specifies a title for a document. The body element contains the visible page content. The H1 element defines a large heading. The P element defines a paragraph. Now we will understand the structure of an HTML document. It is divided into two sections. First one head section and second one body section. First one head section. It contains the information about the title, author and description of the page. All these information should be embedded within the opening head and closing head tag. Body section. Whatever you type in body section, opening body and slash body will be displayed in the browser window. Both the head and body elements are embedded with the opening HTML and slash HTML tag. Now example is rainbow. Basics text formatting text. First one BR. Now BR tag is used for giving a line break. Now unlike all other tags, the BR tag does not have an opening and closing tag. BR is an ablative from a break. Such tags are known as an empty tag. Next one, pre-tag. Pre-formatted. Many a times we want to display text with multiple white space and in multiple line without wanting to be changed it by the browser. Next one, p tag, paragraph tags. The p tag structures the content into the paragraph. Each paragraph of text should go in between an opening P and closing P tag. Next one, B tag. B means bold, U means underline, I means italic, S tag strike through. The content of an S or strike element is displayed with the strike through, a thin line through the text. Here the S is an abbreviated form of strike. Typewriter font TT. The content of a TT element is written in typewriter type of fonts which is also identified as monospaced font like that of a teletype machine. Next one, many elements in the PPT: small tag, big tag, sub means super tag, sub means subscript tag, acronym, DFN, define, Q means quote. Now we are going to learn the most interesting part is an HTML, that is hyperlink. Creating hyperlink between two or more web pages. Now to create a hyperlink between two web pages, we need a tag name A. A tag refers to anchor tag. Now it uses an attribute called href. Href full form is hypertext reference or hyperlink reference. The value what you have to write in the hypertext href against href will be the name in the address of the web page to which we want to set an hyperlink. The first part is name and second part is value. Then align attribute. The align attribute indicates whether the heading appears to the left, center or right. First one, left. The content is aligned to the left of the page. Right. Content is aligned to the right of the page. Center is aligned. Center content is aligned to the center of the page. Next one, space. When content given paragraph is aligned, some spaces are automatically added for adjustment. The spaces which are interested automatically are known as a soft space. If users himself manually inserts some spaces, such hard spaces will be automatically deleted unless the content is written using pre and /pre check page. Working with other editors, Skite is a text editor based on a free source code editing component called Scantilla. www.scantilla.org. It comes with complete source code and license that permits use any free projects or commercial products. First figure is interface of Skite is shown. Next one, the HTML code written about the prints, information about rainbow. First one, HTML tag. Second one, head. Third one, title name about rainbow. Body, head tag over, then body. H1 rainbow. P tag means paragraph tag. Notice the menu bar items at the top of the screen shown in figure. The menu items include basic facilities for the file operations, editing facilities, searching, viewing and other tools, options, etc. Next line, Bethant. The menu items represent some icons for basic information operations such as new, open, save, edit, search, etc. You may open any existing code in the Skite editor as follows steps. Steps 1. Locate the file you want to open. Step 2. Right click on it and choose open with. You will see interface as shown in figure. Step 3. Select Skite text editor. It will open the file in the Skite editor. You may note the indicators for indentations and color of text shown by this kite. Having such indentations and text in different colors separates the content from the text and increases case of regarding the code. Next one, current version of HTML. During the process of its evolution, the HTML kept its focus on its purpose so that the composing and publishing content remains effective. With the progress of time, more and more functionalities we are added to the HTML so that it can be useful and compatible with new browsers, new technologies, and ever increasing developers' demands. Latest version of HTML is called HTML 5.0 and is becoming popular now. Thank you.